guys, so we are back and I have y'all in a better view. What I'm going to do is go ahead and install the second one. The first one, I will have to move it back some. Okay, you guys, so with step one, we have to measure the distance. So I did that already, so make sure you measure your distance from your handlebar to your rear seat. So to the rear of your seat and to your handlebar. All right, we get that out the way. Step two, we're going to go ahead, unravel the rope and make a knot. And then step three, we are going to go ahead and put in some of the pulleys. Okay, so let's go ahead and unravel the rope. I got y'all on my head this time. I should have did this before. All right, untangle this, let it drop, and just make sure you don't have no knots on it. That way your installation can be easy. Now the piece that you have to grab is the back piece. This is the front piece. This is the rear piece. I will go ahead and put it on the square part. So put our rope through here, tie a knot the best you can. I'll put 3 of them in there. All right. There we go. 3 knots is good enough. All right. Now what we have to do is we can just go ahead and put this up. Since we already have it on there, we made our measurements. We get our 1/8 drill bit, and I might have to come back a little bit more. Let me see, because I don't want to drill on the angle. Hopefully y'all can see what I'm doing. I have to come all the way here, so I have to come on that side. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and start with this side, and then I could come back and get that piece. Hopefully y'all can see this. Let me bend y'all back some. All right, I think y'all can see that. I hope. All right, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna put this one back on. So we got that part on. Now I'm gonna put the back piece on. Got the drill bit. I'm on the edge of here, and I'm gonna go ahead and put a hole. Now I need to bring the whole wire up. So y'all will see me lift my whole wire, bringing all of the wire up because I got to put the wire through here. All right, and you got to go underneath. You got to go underneath, and it got to be like that because that's how you want to hook your bike up. Now if you want to hook it up the other way, you can just easily well, it's hard to turn this, so you need to take it back off and put it the other way where the teeth is facing the other way. All right, so this will grab the back part and the other side will be the opposite way. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it through here. Like I said, you guys, this don't take long once you have everything that you want configured out. All right, now once you put it up and underneath, you have to put it over top of this one. We're just gonna keep pulling, keep pulling. I'm holding like this and I'm pulling rope down through both parts of the locking mechanism. With that being said, I'm gonna go through. Now there's a silver part. I'm gonna go through the top on that one, and then I'm gonna go through the back side, and then I'm gonna go through the middle. We're gonna put it right in the hole right here. Hopefully right there, and that's it. Now I'm gonna get the bike. This is the big bike right here. This is a 29-inch, so this is definitely going to be heavy, you guys. I don't have a light bike. I am searching for light bikes now. All right, so we want to put that right there. I got y'all on my head, so I don't know if y'all can see all of this or not. And it's gripped on. Wow. Oh, kickstand. You guys, I like this. This is better than hanging it on the ceiling how I used to. I used to just hang it by the tire, and it's all the way up. That's straight. All right, now I can wind it on this bottom piece. Oopsie. There we go. Almost fell on my head. All right, and that's it, you guys. could wind up all of your cord, in which this is a lot. In my opinion, they should have made this a little bit bigger. So if this rope ever go bad on the first half, you definitely will have enough to rethread all of this rope. You guys, I'm still going. Like, look at this. I am still going. Still going. This is enough rope to lap this or do this hook all over again. All right, you guys, we are finally done with the bike hoist. You guys, this right here is the coolest thing ever. I don't know why nobody ever told me about this. I don't know why I never searched this up. Whenever you look up like bike garage stuff, they got the stuff that like hang on the wall, and I don't want to hang my bike on the wall. I mean, it may be easier to, you know, put it down and put it back up maybe, but I actually like the bike hoist better. Now, this is easy to bring it down. It's very easy. Just make sure you holding on to that rope. Now, when you pulling up, you have to have some strength. I advise you to get some gloves. I have these Gorilla gloves right here. I got these from Sam's Club. It has like a nice little grip to it. These are some good gloves to have, but something with a good grip. That way, when you pulling up, it's not that much of a struggle, and you won't hurt your hands when you're trying to pull it up. This is one last thing. I am 5'8", you guys, and I'm walking under pretty okay. It's about, I would say about 8 more inches. I would say 8 more inches of clearance when it comes to walking underneath the tire. If you tall, then, you know, that's something you have to watch out for. Other than that, if y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we have new cool products coming to the channel. And I'll catch y'all in the next video.